Today we're going to learn Arabic greetings in translation. Our first greeting is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Please listen and repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum. Try it again. Assalamu alaikum. MashaAllah. Very good. Muslims around the world greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. If someone says Assalamu alaikum to you, you'll reply by saying Wa alaikum assalam. Listen again. Wa alaikum assalam. This time listen and repeat after me. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam means and upon you peace. So it's the reply for Assalamu alaikum. Let's try it. I'm going to say Assalamu alaikum to you, and I want you to reply by saying Wa alaikum assalam. Okay, let's try it. Assalamu alaikum. I can't hear you. Let's try it again. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Very good. If we want to ask how things are in general, we say Kayf al-hal. Kayf al-hal. If someone asks you Kayf al-hal, you can reply by saying Bikhair alhamdulillah. Bikhair alhamdulillah. Bikhair means fine. Alhamdulillah means praise to God. So if someone asks you Kayf al-hal, reply by saying Bikhair alhamdulillah. If someone asks you how you are, you'll probably want to ask them as well. So you'll say Wa anta kayf al-hal. Wa anta kayf al-hal. We say Wa anta kayf al-hal to a male. Our speech changes if we talk to a female. So instead of saying Wa anta kayf al-hal, we're going to say Wa enti kayf al-hal. Very similar, just a subtle difference. So to a female we say Wa enti kayf al-hal. And how are you? In any culture, it's important to know how to say thank you. In Arabic, we say shukran. Shukran. Shukran means thank you. Hospitality is a big part of the Arabian culture. Ahlan wa sahlan means welcome, and it's used frequently to greet people. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. We can also say marhaba. Marhaba. Marhaba means hello. Sometimes you'll hear people put them together and say Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. If we want to ask a male what their name is, we say Ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. What is your name? To a female, we will say Ma ismuki. Ma ismuki. For what is your name? Ma ismuki. Both males and females will say ismi and their name to say my name is. Let me give you an example. Ismi Laura means my name is Laura. Ma ismuka. remember we say ma ismuka for a male or ma ismuki for a female. To say goodbye, we say ma salama, ma salama. Ma salama means goodbye. In the morning, we say sabahul khair. Sabahul khair means good morning. If someone says sabahul khair to you, reply by saying sabah an-nur. Sabah an-nur, which means morning of light. If we want to ask someone specifically, how are you? To a male, we will say, Kayfa haluka? Kayfa haluka? Kayfa haluka? How are you? To a female, we'll change it just a little bit and say, Kayfa haluki? Kayfa haluki? How are you? Do you remember how to reply if someone asks Kayfa haluka or Kayfa haluki? That's right. You'll say Bikhair Alhamdulillah. Remember, Alhamdulillah means praise to God. If someone says Ma'as-salama to you, you can reply by saying Ila al-liqa. Ila al-liqa means until our next meeting. Ila al-liqa. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair means good evening. Remember, sabah al-khair means good morning. Masa'ul khair means good evening. If someone says Masa al-khair to you, reply by saying Masa an-nur. Masa an-nur, evening of light. Another way of saying goodbye to someone is by saying Fi aman Allah. Fi aman Allah means in the care of God. Man hada. Man hada. Man hada means who is this? We use man hada when referring to a male. Sadiqi. Sadiqi. Sadiq means friend. Sadiqi means my friend. For a female friend, instead of saying Sadiqi, we're going to say Sadiqati. Sadiqati. If we want to ask what his name is, we say Ma ismuhu. Ma ismuhu. The reply would be Ismuhu and then his name, which means his name is. Tasharafna. Tasharafna means honored to meet you. Tasharafna. If someone says Tasharafna to you, you're going to reply by saying Tasharafna bika. Tasharafna bika to a male, or to a female we say Tasharafna biki. Tasharafna biki. To ask what her name is, we say Ma ismuha. Ma ismuha. Do you remember how to say my name is? MashaAllah. Yes, we say ismi and your name. Ismi and your name. Please is important in any language. To a male, we say min fadlika. Min fadlika. To a female, we say min fadliki. Min fadliki. Can you remember how to say thank you? That's right, shukran. Shukran. If someone says shukran to you, you can reply by saying afwan. Afwan. Afwan is also used to mean excuse me. If we want to say yes, we say naam. Naam. If we want to say no, we say la. La.